5. Hidden ERP costs that can destroy your budget as long as you know this trick. Are you a small or mid-sized manufacturer? Have you outgrown your legacy system or are looking to level up from QuickBooks and Excel spreadsheets? Are you looking for an affordable and impactful ERP to drive your growth strategies, but are concerned about the costs involved? Are you looking for ways to implement a comprehensive ERP and avoid the horror stories? Well, in this presentation, I will give impactful tips that will arm you with effective, tried and true guidance in this arena. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. Systems can provide numerous benefits to organizations, such as increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and streamlined business processes, and deliver highly positive revenue outcomes. However, organizations must be aware of hidden costs that can significantly impact their budget. This presentation will discuss 5 hidden ERP costs and provide a way for mitigating their impact, ensuring that organizations can effectively manage their ERP investments and maximize their return on investment, ROI. ERP systems have become an integral part of modern businesses, enabling organizations to integrate their various departments and manage their resources more efficiently. Despite the numerous benefits, ERP implementations can also be accompanied by hidden costs that can negatively impact an organization's budget. Understanding these hidden costs and knowing how to address them is crucial for a successful ERP implementation and long-term ROI. If you like this type of content, give us a like and subscribe, and leave us a comment, as this will help our channel to grow. Number 1, customization and integration costs. While ERP systems can provide a comprehensive suite of functionalities, organizations often require customizations and integrations to align the system with their unique business processes. Customization and integration can be expensive and time-consuming, leading to additional costs that may not have been initially anticipated. Number 2, data migration costs. Migrating data from legacy systems to a new ERP system can be a complex and labor-intensive process. Organizations may need to clean, reformat, and validate their data before importing it into the new system. This process can incur additional costs in terms of time and resources. Number 3, employee training and change management costs. Implementing an ERP system often requires significant changes to an organization's processes and workflows. Employees must be trained on the new system and learn to adapt to new ways of working. Training programs and change management initiatives can be expensive, especially when they involve large numbers of employees. Ongoing maintenance and support costs. After an ERP system has been implemented, ongoing maintenance and support are necessary to ensure that the system remains up to date and secure. These costs may include software updates, patches, and access to vendor support services. Additionally, organizations may need to invest in internal IT resources to manage the ERP system. System scalability costs. As organizations grow and evolve, their ERP systems must also scale to accommodate new business requirements. This can involve purchasing additional software licenses, investing in hardware upgrades, or even migrating to a new ERP system altogether. These costs can be significant and should be considered during the initial planning stages of an ERP implementation. The trick? Effective ERP cost management costs. To mitigate the impact of these hidden costs, organizations should adopt a proactive approach to ERP cost management. This involves 1. Conducting a thorough analysis of business requirements and selecting an ERP system that closely aligns with these needs, minimizing the need for extensive customizations and integrations. 2. Allocating sufficient time and resources for data migration and ensuring that the process is well planned and executed. 3. Developing a comprehensive employee training and change management plan that includes ongoing support and resources for employees as they adapt to the new system. 4. Negotiating favorable maintenance and support contracts with ERP vendors and closely monitoring ongoing costs to ensure they remain within budget. 5. Considering scalability requirements during the initial selection and planning stages of an ERP implementation, and selecting a system that can accommodate future growth and changing business needs. Hidden ERP costs can significantly impact an organization's budget if not properly addressed. By understanding these costs and adopting a proactive approach to ERP cost management, organizations can effectively manage their ERP investments and maximize their return on investment. This will enable them to enjoy the numerous benefits that ERP systems provide, while ensuring that their budgets remain under control. I'm Hanel Rose of ER Technologies. Give us a like and subscribe, and leave us a comment, as this will help our channel to grow. Book a call with us and my team, and I will assist you with your ERP selection, implementation, service, and upgrades with your ERP journey for successful outcomes. You will find the link below. Until next time, see you in the next video.